Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please hit subscribe and stick around for some more of these bathroom chronicles. I am tossing out the lash glue and the lashes for these imPRESS Kiss singles. They have glue attached to the small little sections of lashes, and all you have to do is pull them off of the strip, and then you can use the tweezers that are included or even your fingers. I use both. And all you do is you take it and attach it to underneath your lashes that have already been pre-prepped with your favorite mascara. And you place them right underneath the lashes, right up where the lash line is, where your normal natural lashes come out of the eyelid. And then you just kind of squeeze it together and they are good to go. They held so well all day long, and I was so incredibly impressed with these. So I had to jump on here to let you guys know. And I went on ahead and took them all the way around, but you could just layer them out on the outside of the lash as well if you just wanted a little bit more fullness towards the outside of the lash. Pretty much it's all up to you, but these were just so impressive. I had to share this with you guys, and I think that if you're a beginner with lashes, these would be great. Not having to mess with messy glue is such a plus for me. They were so incredibly comfortable as I wore them throughout the day, and I'm telling you, hashtag not sponsored, definitely not sponsored. Wish I was sponsored, but not sponsored. I just wanted to jump on here and share a product that I was thoroughly impressed with. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, showing you in these little bathroom chronicles, because I plan on doing these from time to time as I stumble across some great items. These were a 10 out of a 10. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and until the next time I see you guys, I hope glitter catches your eye, but never goes in it. Take care. Bye-bye.